Right, so I've taken all the valves out of the cylinder head, out of the chop, and we've got some new ones, some new adjusters, and we've got some nice new XS performance stainless valves from Hyde and Tuning in the Netherlands. All I'm going to do, I mean, I lapped all the old valves in before I put this back together the last time, so it doesn't really need, I thought it really needs a lot of lapping in, so all I'm going to do is just give it a quick lap in with a fine paste and see how it goes from there, and do all that lot, get all them put in, and let's find a Stanley blade, cut these bags open. I used these stainless valves in my in the green XS that I had, that I've got in the other garage. They're all right, really. Actually, don't sound too bad. It's got a bit of gunk on them. I'll do this first one, and then we just speed through the rest. Bit of rag. Right. Turn the light on, and you can see a bit better. The sound of it changes. Right, we pull it out. Let's give that a wipe. Get a torch. A bit more. Tad more. it'd be nice to have a 45-degree valve seat cutter, but a bit on the pricey side really, to settle for the old lapping paste, wouldn't we? What we're looking for is a nice even line all the way around. It's very slightly bit of carbon up there, but I'm not too worried about that because that's right on the inside. So to me that's good enough. Good enough for what I want. Good enough for my 50 mile an hour on the chop. So that's one done. I'll do the rest and then we'll put the springs in. We should put in first. We'll put him in first, I think. This gets messy. We want a valve. Now we want the seat for it. Where are we? Hardened steel washer that the valve's springs sit on. These springs go in a certain way as well, so you've got the tighter winding at the bottom and the loose winding at the top. Same as that one, you've got like tighter winding there than you have at the top, so it goes in that way. Clean it all up. goes on there. I'll probably have to zoom out for this next bit. Tricky bit. Right, all that lot's on. Yeah, don't know if you can see, that's pressed the spring down, so now I've got to put the collets in there and hold them on. So I always use a bit of grease to sort of like make them cling onto the thing. Just my luck. So we want a pair of pliers and a little screwdriver. Get a screwdriver, splodge a bit of grease in there, around the back, so it fucking goes everywhere. Get one of our little collet thingy-jigs. Wedge him in there, grease. This is probably the most trickiest job of fucking building this fucking engine. Just putting these cunts in. Because they... Right, it's almost there. What I do, rather than let it undo it quickly, I'll unscrew the screw at the bottom so it comes up slowly and it never goes right. One's dropped too far in, I think. Let's unscrew him a little bit. How far have we got? It's coming up. Put all the new stainless valves in the area. I'm going to show you them. So they're all in there, all nice and shiny, ready for the go. And on the rocker box, we put all new tappets in there. So they're all that's all ready to go as well. Oh, fucking hope I didn't miss all that out. I think I probably did though. But you'd have seen me struggling putting these back together. But never mind. That's alright. I do notice the on these valves, the others were pretty worn because the tops of the valves, or the valve heads, were level with the cap here on the other ones, but these just stand proud by about 1/16 couple of mil. So that's alright. They're ready, that's ready. Engine there's ready to go back together. That's ready, everything's ready. Just waiting for me, just waiting for the barrels now, and as soon as I get them back we can start putting this together. So until then I'll see you in a minute, or in a few seconds with you really. It'll be a while for me, but a few seconds for you. So I'll catch you in a bit. Today is Tuesday. I've just come back from picking up newly bored barrels from Stockfold Engineering, so we can start the rebuild process. Just need to clean them up a little bit, make sure there's no grit or anything on them, give them a good wipe over, wipe through, and then we go from there. Oh yeah, here's the let me zoom out a little bit. Here's the new shiny pistons. Look at those. They look nice, don't they? With the markings on the top, 75.5. Pretty well made. And they fit in there. They fit in there a treat, they do. No, just 2 thou clearance on these ones. So let's put that in there a sec. Let's put that over there. Drop that in and see what the I like the sound of them. Right, let me clean all that up and I'll be back. Let me put these rings on and we come back to you. It's easier sticking them in the barrels than it is to put them in afterwards. That's the front, that way. So if I'm going to use in there and in there, what I want to do is zoom out a little bit so you can see what the fuck I'm doing. There you go. Oh, that's the wrong way, isn't it? Right. A bit more. What I'm doing these, I want to stick a circlip in the inside ones, so when I put this on the engine and I put my wrist pins through, they don't carry on going and going anywhere else, kind of thing. So what I do like is these circlips, where they're easier to use than them other things. These don't tend to ping off across the garage, so you don't have to keep buying them. Pliers friendly, these ones. Pliers friendly circlips. Saying that, please don't drop it. There we go, straight in there, look at that. How nice was that? Can't they all do that? That's arrow facing forwards, so circle in the right place. You can go there. Arrow facing forwards, so you want the circlip in here. Chuck him in, like so. Is he in? Yeah, he's in. Oh, nice. Nice and nice. Right, now I want to arrange all these piston rings. So you get me a little screwdriver. Circly. This is where this circuit pings off and lands inside the engine. Yep. Fucking hell. I wasn't fucking far wrong. He's in all the way around there. Go for that. didn't lose the chain down the bottom. What the result that was. Oops. Where is it? That's on. Take the plugs out and kick it over about 20 times to get the oil up into the top end before I attempt to start it. Do that on all the engines that I rebuild anyway, so just for safety. alright. I haven't done anything to the timing, I'll just threw it back together. No, I mean tappets, cam chain and all that are all done, but not the actual strobe timing. So, should see if it makes that tapping noise, eh? So there she blows, all up and running again. So what I'll do, I've just got to adjust that exhaust because that's doing my head in sticking out like that. It should have been further in. So when that's cold tomorrow, I'll redo that, and I'll do the strobe timing, get it timed up nicely, and then we'll take it for a spin. I can't hear any tapping, any knocking or anything in it now. Sounds pretty good. I'm loving it already. So roll on tomorrow. It's going to be a nice day tomorrow, so we'll take it out for a spin tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.